Look at our spaghetti taco, all made in one pan. Quick, easy, and totally delicious. Yum. So successful.
Yes, I would recommend it.
Don't have a lot of time tonight. You need something quick for dinner and you have to run those babies to the activities. Let's make this one pot meal. So I have my ground meat in here that I have put my olive oil in here. I didn't do anything else but put my olive oil and my ground beef in here because I wanted us to season everything together in making our taco spaghetti one pot meal. So let's start seasoning our meat. So you do know you can make your own taco seasoning, right? All you need to make your own taco seasoning is to have some cumin, some chili or chipotle chili powder, some oregano, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. And optional, I like to use it, you want to have some Himalayan salt or some kosher salt, whichever salt you use as well. And optional, because I just love the way it tastes, having some smoked paprika in it. But this is your core ingredients to make your own taco seasoning. So you don't have to buy that pack of stuff. You don't know how long it's been because you probably have these spices at home and you can do it yourself.
Here are a list of ingredients.
And start putting in my smoked paprika. And I would say this is garlic, which is the heat. So I am just gonna it's really like a little dash. So I would say oregano. So here's some cumin. Now I'm gonna add garlic paste as well, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Let's go ahead here and get this all mixed up. So I'm adding a garlic paste, my freshly grated onions. Let that simmer together with my bell peppers. Let that cook up. Tell you, fast meal for your family. Your kids will love it, you'll love it, and you can go on about your evening. So let me let this get a little softened, the veggies, and then we'll add our tomato paste and our diced tomatoes, and then we'll add our spaghetti and water. So now, this is now nice and good here. We're starting to get some liquid from this. So that liquid, we're also going to need it with the water we're going to add to cook our spaghetti in here. So our 1 tablespoon, I'm going to add our diced tomatoes in here. It would help if you add a little bit of brown sugar. That will help tone down the acid. So I'm now adding the brown sugar to here, just to help with the acidity. You can use whatever spaghetti you like, whatever brand you like. I always tell you, use what you have, and I mean that. Okay, so this is our spaghetti here. I want to give it a little flavor because we're going to lose some of the flavoring when we add the water. So I'm adding, this is just half a cup, so 1 cup of chicken broth, and I have 2.5 cups of water here. I'm just gonna mix this together so we can make sure our spaghetti will be nestled in here with our meat. Cover the lid for about 10 to 12 minutes. But I just wanted to kind of like move it around, and I would highly suggest you do the same. Just got to be very, careful and strategic. Obviously, if you have like a lot of pasta like I do, pasta's ready. So I'm gonna actually add our Monterey cheese here. I'm gonna mix this up. We're gonna save a little bit for our garnish. And I'm also gonna add some of the pepper jack cheese in here. We're gonna mix that all up. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my basil in here. And my basil gives some flavor. And then we have some garlic. Just kind of like mix all of this up. Gently try to fold this over. Now be very careful as you do this. So now you only have to worry about cleaning 1 pot, which is phenomenal.
Here's our vitamin content. Look at our spaghetti taco, all made in one pan. Quick, easy, and totally delicious. Yum.
Hello. So this is our 1-pan taco spaghetti.
Oh, okay.
We combined the two together and made it one. We did a fusion.
Okay, so taco without the shell.
Basically.
Okay.
And we added spaghetti. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Okay, so.
Ready?
Yes.
Tastes very much like a taco. Spaghetti in it.
Wow. So successful. Well,
is this going to be in the next book?
I know. Would you like me to put in the next book, honey?
Maybe you should.
I didn't say that. I said, would you like me?
Yes, I would recommend it.
Think it'll be a hit?
Yeah.
Definitely for time, right? So, here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team knows that you enjoy what we're putting out for you. I'm going to ask you, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, subscribe. You won't be disappointed, and share this channel with your family and friends. They will appreciate like a quick meal like this for their kids. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this. Recipes.